Hey there, homeowners and DIY champions. Do you know what's silently killing your energy bill and your indoor air quality right now? Your HVAC filter. Clogged filters cause allergies, sky-high bills, and even HVAC damage. In the next, I'll walk you through a simple, pro-level way to change your HVAC filter. Stay to the end for 3 expert filter hacks most homeowners don't know. Step 1. Know your filter. There's no one-size-fits-all. Just like your house, your HVAC system needs the right filter to work its best. We're not cutting corners here, folks. We're doing it right. Check the size. It's always printed right here. Common sizes include 16 by 20 by 1, 20 by 25 by 4. But yours may differ. If you can't find the size on the old filter, don't worry, just measure it carefully and write it down. You don't want to be making extra trips to the store. Now, there are a few different types of filters out there. You got your fiberglass ones. They're cheap, but they don't last. Then you got your pleated filters. Good all-around choice. And for those of you with allergies or who want the best possible air quality, there's HEPA filters. They cost a bit more, but you get what you pay for. What happens if you use the wrong filter site? We'll test that in a minute. Let me tell you, you don't want to miss that. Safety first, always turn off your system before removing the filter. This is important, people. We don't want any accidents happening. This stops debris from being sucked into your ductwork and causing a whole mess of problems down the line. See that? Nice and easy. Now we're ready to move on to the next step. Chapter 3. Removing the old filter. Prepare to be disgusted. Gently slide out the old filter. If it looks like this, it's overdue. This is what happens when you don't change your filter regularly. It's full of dust, dirt, allergens, you name it. This is what you're breathing in every day. Not good. A clogged filter can increase energy use by up to 15%. And it's not just bad for your health, it's bad for your wallet too. A clogged filter makes your HVAC system work harder, which means higher energy bills. So let's get this nasty thing out of here. Always dispose responsibly, and it's full of allergens. We don't want to be spreading this stuff around. Chapter 4. Installing the new filter. Breathe easy. Before inserting, note the arrow on the side. It should point in toward the system. This ensures the air flows in the right direction. You want the clean side facing in, not the dirty side. See the difference? On the left, you've got the clogged filter restricting airflow. On the right, the new filter is letting the air flow freely. Better airflow equals lower bills and cleaner lungs. Chapter 5. Mark your calendar. Stay on top of it. Set a reminder every 1 to 3 months, especially if you have pets, allergies, or live in a dusty area. Don't rely on your memory, folks. Write it down, set a reminder on your phone. Whatever it takes, this is important. Use Alexa, Siri, or Google. Remind me to check HVAC filter every 2 months. Regular replacement equals fewer breakdowns. Trust me, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. It's a lot cheaper to replace a filter than it is to replace your entire HVAC. Alright, you got this, so there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pro home hacks.